Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how Google Map is using AI for smart direction. So guys, Google Map is using AI to make navigation smarter and easier. It now gives landmark based directions, and also AI also analyze traffic pattern and suggested faster or safer routes automatically. With the help of Gemini AI, users can ask voice questions such as find a restaurant nearby or how's the traffic without typing. Features like lanes and view lets users see real 3D previews of roads and buildings. AI also helps Google update new roads quickly and choose fuel efficient routes, saving time and energy. Overall, AI makes Google Map more accurate and eco-friendly. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.